rocker panel installation video, as well as our front bumper installation video before you begin. Both of those must be removed before you begin installing your fenders. Remove the front hood seal by unclipping it from the top of the fender. On the bottom of the fender, remove the 3 bolts that hold on the rocker panel clip. Under the clip are 2 more bolts that hold the fender to the frame. Remove the 4 bolts at the front of the fender. At the base of the A-pillar, there's a small piece of weather stripping. Behind that, there's a small bolt you need to remove. There's an additional bolt behind the door at the base of the A-pillar. Remove the foam block from the inner fender. This gains access to the 2 inner fender bolts. Remove the bolts. With the door open, remove the fender by gently pulling it up and away from the vehicle. Your new Anderson Composites fender uses the OEM mounting location and goes on the same way the old one went off. We first gently bolted in the 2 inner fender bolts, giving us the opportunity to make any adjustments. We found the inner fender tab holes needed to be widened to accommodate the bolt. We used a step drill to widen them out. Some minor modifications, such as widening holes, may be necessary for an ideal fit. You should not need to make any modifications to your OEM mounting points. After widening the holes and some minor filing, we were able to mount up our new fender. You should leave all the bolts loose at first so you can make proper adjustments to achieve ideal alignment.